Doors are essential elements of our homes and businesses, providing security, insulation, and curb appeal. In Houston, where the weather can be unpredictable, ranging from humid summers to stormy winters, door issues can arise unexpectedly. Over time, normal wear and tear or extreme weather conditions can cause your door to malfunction. If you're experiencing door problems, you might be wondering if a replacement is the right solution. In this article, we will highlight some of the most common door problems in Houston and explain how replacing your door can solve these issues. Water damage and rotting. Houston's high humidity and frequent rainstorms can cause significant water damage to doors, especially those made of wood. Over time, exposure to moisture can lead to swelling, warping, and even rotting. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to these problems. When a door begins to rot, its structural integrity is compromised, making it ineffective at providing security or insulation. Solution: replacing your wooden door with a more durable material, such as fiberglass or steel, can prevent future water damage. These materials are resistant to moisture, ensuring your door remains sturdy and functional even during Houston's wet seasons. Warping and misalignment. Extreme heat during Houston's summer months can cause doors to warp. If a door is not properly aligned, it may become difficult to open or close. You might notice that your door no longer fits in the frame as it once did, or that there is an uncomfortable gap at the top or bottom. This can also affect the door's ability to provide a proper seal, leading to energy inefficiency and air drafts. Solution: replacing a warped or misaligned door with a new one can restore proper functionality. Modern doors come with advanced weather stripping and insulation options that can improve energy efficiency and prevent air leaks, keeping your home comfortable all year round. Rust and corrosion. Rust is a common issue for metal doors in Houston, particularly during the humid and rainy months. Over time, moisture can cause metal to corrode, leading to unsightly spots, weakening the door's structure, and even compromising its security. A rusty door can also cause issues with the door's locking mechanism, leaving your home vulnerable. Solution: opting for a replacement with a door made from rust-resistant materials, such as aluminum, fiberglass, or coated steel, can eliminate the risk of corrosion. A new door can also come with an updated, rust-resistant finish, ensuring it will last longer and require less maintenance. Broken or damaged locks and hardware. Locking mechanisms can become worn out over time due to heavy use, making it harder to securely close and lock your door. In areas like Houston, where break-ins can occur, a faulty lock is a serious security risk. Additionally, damage to the door's hardware, like handles, hinges, and thresholds, can cause inconvenience and affect the door's performance. Solution: if the locks or hardware are the main issue, replacing just the hardware can solve the problem. However, if the door itself is old or damaged, it might be worth replacing the entire unit to enhance security and performance. Modern doors are often equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and durable hardware, offering enhanced security and peace of mind. Energy inefficiency. As energy costs continue to rise, it's more important than ever to have energy-efficient doors. Old, outdated doors can have poor insulation properties, allowing heat to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer. This can lead to higher energy bills and make your HVAC system work harder than it needs to. Solution: replacing an old, inefficient door with an energy-efficient model can help you save money in the long run. Modern doors are often designed with better insulation materials, weather stripping, and sealing techniques, which can significantly reduce energy loss. This is especially important in Houston, where both hot summers and chilly winters can strain your energy systems. Aesthetic deterioration. The appearance of your door plays a crucial role in the curb appeal of your home. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause doors to fade, crack, or become scratched. A door that looks old or damaged can diminish the overall aesthetic of your home, affecting its market value and your satisfaction. Solution: replacing a worn-out door with a stylish, modern one can enhance the curb appeal of your property. New doors come in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes that can complement your home's exterior. Whether you prefer a classic wooden design or a sleek contemporary look, a replacement door can make a significant difference. Conclusion: door problems in Houston are common due to the city's unique weather conditions and the general wear and tear that comes with daily use. Whether it's water damage, rust, warping, or security issues, replacing your door can solve these problems effectively. A new door not only restores functionality but also enhances your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. If you're dealing with persistent door issues, investing in a replacement can provide long-term benefits and improve your home's overall performance.